To fix inverted colors or color filters on a Mac, start by understanding the possible causes of the issue. Inverted colors can occur due to accessibility settings, graphics issues, or software glitches. First, check if the issue is related to the accessibility settings. Go to System Preferences, then select Accessibility, and click on Display. If the Invert Colors or Use Display to Adjust for Color Deficiency option is enabled, disable it to see if it resolves the issue. If the issue persists, try resetting the System Management Controller, which can sometimes resolve graphics-related problems. To do this, shut down your Mac, then press the power button while holding the Command, Option, Shift, and power buttons. Hold them for 10 seconds. Then release. This will reset the System Management Controller. Another possible solution is to reset the NVRAM, which can also resolve display issues. To do this, shut down your Mac, then press the power button. Immediately hold the Command, Option, P, and R keys. Hold them for 20 seconds. Then release. This will reset the NVRAM. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting your Mac in safe mode. To do this, shut down your Mac, then press the power button. Immediately hold the Shift key. Release the Shift key when you see the login window. This will start your Mac in safe mode, which can help resolve software-related issues. Finally, if the issue still persists, consider seeking further assistance from an Apple support specialist or visiting an Apple store for professional help. Remember to always back up your data before attempting any troubleshooting steps to prevent data loss. By following these steps, you should be able to fix inverted colors or color filters on your Mac.